Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a split payment group on Google Pay. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. From the available options, select New Group. Next, choose the contacts you want to add to the group. Once you have selected everyone, tap Add or Continue. Now enter a name for your group. You can use a name that matches the activity or expense, such as dinner, road trip, or anything you want. After entering the name, tap Create. Your group is now ready to use. To split a bill, open the group chat you just created. Inside the group, tap the Split and Expense option. Enter the total amount of the bill and add a short description so everyone knows what the payment request is for. Google Pay will automatically divide the total amount equally among all group members. If someone needs to pay a different amount, simply tap on their share and edit it manually. This allows you to customize the payment amounts when needed. After reviewing the details, tap Send Request. Google Pay will notify all members of the group and send them the payment request. That is how you create a split payment group in Google Pay. Thanks for watching.